Hello everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today also we've got you another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can simply go ahead and edit your Snapchat shortcuts. But before we start with our video, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and start our video. If you want to do so, first of all, go ahead, access your Snapchat app right there, open it up, simply go to this chat box where you will be able to find all of your shortcuts, right? As you can see, I have my shortcuts right above. Simply go ahead, tap on this plus icon. So if you want to edit your shortcuts, if you tap on your shortcut, you will see the group members or the shortcut, the members that you have added. You won't be able to find edit option. So for that, tap on plus icon, edit shortcut, right? Tap on the shortcut you want to delete or remove. Go long press on that one. And now once you do that, you can simply go ahead, add more people, or you can tap on this three dot icon and you can now delete your shortcut if you would like to. So yes guys, in edit shortcut you only have that option. That's how you can do it, add more member or delete your shortcut. And I hope this video was helpful. If you got more questions, to leave them in the comments below. And yes, I'll see you guys next time.